Feeding an 8-month-old baby is an exciting journey as you introduce new textures and flavors to their growing palate. It's important to remember that every baby is unique, and individual preferences and readiness for certain foods may vary. Always consult with your pediatrician before introducing new foods to ensure they are appropriate for your baby's development. Here's a suggested food chart for an 8-month-old baby, focusing on breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Breakfast. Start the day with a nutritious and easy to digest meal. Offer iron-rich options like iron-fortified baby cereal mixed with breast milk or formula. You can also introduce soft fruits like mashed banana or pured peaches for added vitamins and natural sweetness. Mid-morning snack. As a mid-morning snack, introduce small portions of soft finger foods. Try small pieces of well-cooked and finely chopped vegetables, such as steamed carrots or sweet potatoes. These provide essential nutrients and encourage self-feeding. Lunch. For lunch, introduce protein-rich foods like pured lentils, finely shredded chicken, or mashed tofu. Combine with well-cooked vegetables like peas or green beans to provide a balanced and satisfying meal. Include a small serving of mashed avocado for healthy fats. Afternoon snack. Offer a light and nutritious afternoon snack to keep your baby energized. Yogurt or pured fruits like applesauce are excellent options. Consider introducing small, soft crackers or rice cakes for a different texture. Dinner. Dinner can consist of a variety of grains, such as rice or quinoa, paired with finely chopped or pured vegetables. Introduce a new protein source, like pured fish or ground meat. Including a variety of flavors will help your baby develop a diverse palate. Evening snack. Before bedtime, provide a light and easily digestible snack. Opt for a serving of mashed bananas or pears. You can also offer a small serving of baby yogurt to promote healthy gut development. Introduction of finger foods. Encourage self-feeding by introducing age-appropriate finger foods, such as small pieces of soft fruits, cooked pasta, or small shreds of well-cooked meat. Supervise closely to ensure safe eating practices. Texture progression. Gradually increase the texture of foods as your baby becomes more adept at chewing. Transition from purees to mashed and finely chopped textures to promote oral motor development. Hydration. Offer water in a sippy cup throughout the day, especially during meals, to keep your baby well hydrated. Avoid sugary drinks or juices and consult with your pediatrician regarding appropriate fluid intake. Observation and adaptation. Pay close attention to your baby's reactions to different foods. Be flexible and open to adjusting the food chart based on their preferences and developmental milestones. Continue to explore new flavors and textures to encourage a diverse and healthy diet.